If you checked your mailbox or checked online, the new PES Wind magazine is out, and it is full of great content this quarter. There's a very interesting article because we've been talking a lot about offshore wind and some of the problems with offshore wind. As one of them is corrosion. And just between us engineers, it comes up quite a bit. Like, why are we making things out of steel that you don't need to make out of steel? Why you're not making them out of plastic? And that's what the people at Nylacast Engineered Products are doing on some hang-off clamps, Joel, which are traditionally really cheap clamps that are made out of steel and rust like crazy.
Yeah, you know, from my oil and gas offshore background, that was one of the things that was always a pain in the butt. IRM contracts, as they call them, offshore inspection, repair, and maintenance. There's so much focus on coatings, paint coatings, and it's a special coating, and it's this, and you can only apply it during this, and everything has to be painted. And if you can't allow rust to start anywhere on an offshore facility, it's in a high corrosion environment, right? You have salt water, salt spray, temperatures. It's always kind of wet. It's a marine environment. And so erosion moves very fast, right? So in the oil and gas world, they started creating some things out of like HDPE, which is a high density polyethylene plastic. It's even so dense you can mill it. It's really cool stuff. But that's what the kind of Nylacast Engineered Products is working with some of these plastic products to replace some of those components in offshore wind turbines that are a pain in the butt to maintain. So when we talk about these hang-off clamps, they grab the cables and other things and they hold them in place in the turbine as need be. If those are made out of steel and have a coating on them and you get a little bit of vibration and that coating starts to wear away or starts to get a little bit of rust, you've got a huge problem. You've got to take the cables out. You got to take the things off. You got to replace them all. You got to either replace them or you got to grind on them and repaint them. It is a nightmare. So what they're doing with these hang-off clamps that are, you know, basically plastic instead of metallic, or a plastic type instead of metallic, is they're removing that need for IRM contracts in the future. I think it's great.
It makes a ton of sense. And I'm surprised you haven't seen more of this because nylon and derivatives of nylon are easily recyclable. It does fit all the things that wind energy is looking for. Doesn't rust, recyclable, easy, lightweight, simple. We need to be moving this direction. So if you haven't checked out PES Wind, you go to peswind.com and download a copy. Or if you're at Wind Europe when this episode comes out, it'll be during the Wind Europe event. There'll be plenty of PES Wind hard copies available. Just stop by and grab one. It's well worth reading. A lot of great material this quarter. So check out peswind.com.
As busy wind energy professionals, staying informed is crucial. And let's face it, difficult. That's why the Uptime Podcast recommends PES Wind magazine. PES Wind offers a diverse range of in-depth articles and expert insights that dive into the most pressing issues facing our energy future. Whether you're an industry veteran or new to wind, PES Wind has the high-quality content you need. Don't miss out. Visit peswind.com today.